front of us, we have a beautiful BMW X3 G01. This gentleman had rang us to get a tow bar installed on his vehicle. He went with the Premium Westfalia invisible and detachable tow bar, along with the vehicle-specific wiring kit. Now, if we look closely down at the hitch here, as we all know, this tongue is easily detachable using this knob here, and the wiring has a nice flip up and flip down bracket. So once flipped up and tongue detached, this setup is completely invisible. Easy to install when you're ready to tow, and premium quality product for a premium quality vehicle. Thank you guys for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team here at Westfalia Towbars Performance. We are happy to help. Thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you next time.